Rex.
Hey, assistant, you're riding a dinosaur.
Yeah, and its name is Sir Matthew.
Sir Matthew's a dinosaur. Who else is riding one?
We're looking for
MamaSaurous Rex. What's your name of your dinosaur, Small?
Greenie.
Greenie. Oh, and here's Ryan. You got a dinosaur. What's his name?
His name is Jeffrey.
Jeffrey?
Yeah.
Hey, Jeffrey, you got something on your tongue. Oh, whoa, what?
Hey, be careful, he bites.
Oh, I guess so, he's a dinosaur. So you guys are looking for MamaSaurous Rex? The three of you?
Yep. Yeah.
I think me and Ryan's are the same species.
I think so, too.
Mine's a raptor.
I think mine's a baby.
All right, so MamaSaurous Rex is what kind of dinosaur?
T-Rex.
It's a T-Rex, all right.
Let's go, sir.
They're the biggest and baddest dinosaur of all, right?
Yeah. Right. Greenie. Let's go, Sir Matthew. Man, your dinosaur's pretty slow, man.
Mine's wild.
You guys got wild dinosaurs?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Go, Buckaroo.
Let's go.
What, did you guys see something?
Yeah.
What'd you see?
We saw this.
Whoa, what's over here, Small? Oh.
Assistant, you can look at it.
What is that?
It's a dinosaur.
Oh, wait a minute, here, I'll go.
It's not a real one, though.
Oh, yeah, well, hold that side of it.
Hold this side?
Hold the leg,
Oh.
right? Let's see what happens.
I'll hold the.
Whoa, he's like super stretchy.
Super stretchy.
And it's got like stuff inside of it too, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Hold the tail.
Here, let's do this. Here.
Wait a minute. Ah, it's got my finger though.
Oh, no.
Get it off my finger. Get it off my finger. Oh, good, good. We got it off my finger. Wait a minute. He's got a big old tongue.
What in the world?
Oh, guys,
He's okay.
a little help.
Oh, you're chasing your tail, Smalls. Smalls, you're chasing your tail.
Okay. Sorry.
Did you catch it? All right, so we saw MamaSaurous Rex by this tree.
Yeah. Let's go this way. Okay, where's the dinosaur go? Maybe this is a clue. So,
Maybe it is.
This way, right?
Yeah, let's go.
Hey. Did you see that?
Yeah, what was he doing? It looked like MamaSaurous Rex was like scratching her head or something.
Yeah. Hey, can you move your raptor away? My dinosaur's sneezing. You see him? Well, why? Because he's allergic to raptors? Oh, you're riling up my dinosaur. Hey, I think my dinosaur's allergic to your face. Alright.
You guys need to get your dinosaurs under control.
Yeah. Wait, my dinosaur has a scent.
Oh, does it?
Yeah, mine does too. What do you smell? It's got a scent! It's got a scent! Oh no! No, it's taking it out!
What are you guys doing? You're chasing your tails.
Mine got the scent of it!
You guys are like hitting each other in tails.
I'm getting dizzy! What's going on?
You guys gotta come on. Get them away from the tails.
Oh, I think my dinosaur is dizzy. Alright, now it's time to see who's the fastest dinosaur is. I think mine's the fastest because, I mean, it's a raptor. I think mine is.
Mine is. Because smallest is the fastest.
Let's go, Sir Matthew!
Wait a minute.
Let's go,
Who do
Jeffrey!
you guys think's the fastest
Sir
dinosaur?
Matthew! Sir Matthew!
So this is all about fitness and health. So this is all about fitness and health, right? And exercise. All right, I'll say ready, set, go when you're ready to go. On your mark, get set. Oh, wait a minute, I said ready, set, go.
Ready, set.
Ready, set. I didn't say go.
You too.
Ready, set, and go! Whoa, these dinosaurs sure are going fast! Oh, wait a minute, it's Smalls! Smalls is dinosaur! He's the winner!
Hey, you stopped me.
Whoa! Oh, you crashed your dinosaur! Whoa!
Smalls is the fastest.
Whoa!
Oh, he
Are you
got
okay?
Yeah. Oh.
See, I told you.
Whoa, that's some pretty fast
Now I
dinosaurs.
think we should do a race on land a little bit later.
No, I think you guys need to have a jumping contest.
Oh yeah.
All right, everybody get in line.
Oh.
All right, Smalls, you got to get over there. Everybody.
Are we jumping up?
You're going to jump out so you can jump the furthest.
Okay.
All right, ready? Set. Smalls, you're jumping the wrong way. You got to jump that way.
Wait.
Ready, set, jump. Whoa! I think the assistant dinosaur, the raptor, has the biggest jumper.
No.
Good job, raptor. Oh, you did. Smalls, you and your dino fell down. Are you okay?
Buddy. Greenie, are you okay?
All right, let's go back and see if we can find MamaSaurous Rex, okay?
He's a wild dinosaur, so.
I know.
Go, Sir Matthew. Let's go, bud.
Hey, MamaSaurous Rex watched this the whole time. Uh-oh, Ryan fell down again.
All right, we're gonna do a roaring contest now. All right,
Okay.
who goes first? I want that.
All right, so okay, Ryan, you're gonna roar.
All right. You ready, buddy?
Give it your biggest roar.
Roar!
Oh, that's pretty good. All right, Smalls, your turn.
All right, Greenie, let's go.
That's really good. All right, assistant, yours.
Let's go, Sir Matthew. Ready? Roar!
Whoa. Hey, wait a minute. We got another contestant.
I know.
It's MamaSaurous Rex. Let's see how loud she can roar.
Wait, maybe this whole time MamaSaurous Rex just wanted to play with us.
Oh, I think so. She just wanted to have a friend,
I
right?
think that she
Hey,
won
high
too.
five.
I think she won the contest. Yeah,
I think she won the contest,
I
right?
don't think MamaSaurous Rex knows what that is. Smalls.
Yeah, I don't think MamaSaurous Rex can see you because her eyes are way up there.
Show it. Ready? Give me a high five.
Boom.
Good job. Good job.
Hey, you guys did a nice job, but.
All right, let's have one more contest. And MamaSaurous Rex, do you want to join us? All right, let's go.
I wonder what that means. Yes. All right, now we're gonna do a dance contest.
Okay, up first is going to be Ryan.
Boom.
Yeah.
All right, Smalls, your turn.
Dun, 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 dun.
Move it out, move it out. Here, come forward, get some space. Whoa, you're really doing a good job. Whoa, good job. All right, sister. Oh, come forward, like you're on stage,
Okay.
All right, MamaSaurous Rex, bust out your moves.
Whoa!
Whoa, I think her name is Dinosaurus Rex.
Everybody join in.
Yeah, everybody dancing.
Yeah.
Hey everybody, we hope you had fun with these fun dancing dinosaurs ahead and learned to have fitness and lots of fun outside and playing, right?
Right. Yeah.
What else should they do, assistant?
They should like this video, subscribe to our channel, and also make sure to follow us on Roku, Amazon Fire TV, Apple TV, and Happy TV. And also make sure to subscribe to Little Heroes.
All right, keep dancing, guys.
Hang on, guys. What's that, Greenie? Oh, he wants to say bye.